everyone, and you're so much welcome to today's tutorial. And I still remain your shoemaking made easy tutor, Odurale Mojibola. And today we're going to be looking at this beautiful braided leather design. I'm sure you might have seen this before, and you wonder how exactly this was braided or how it was woven. If you're watching my channel for the first time, all we do here is make shoemaking easy for you, thereby reducing your family expenses and at the same time increasing your income stream. Now I need you to go ahead and subscribe to this channel, press the notification bell, and also make sure you like this video. Don't forget to like, I want you to sit back and I'm gonna be right. I'm going to be using this particular yellow leather. I actually cut out 2.5 centimeter, that is the width, and then the length is about 46 centimeter. So I need you to know that you should have about 30% increase or 40% increase, as the case may be, to whatever length you need. If the length you need is about let's say like 10-inch, make sure you calculate 40% of that 10-inch and add it to that length, or else when you finish braiding it will be too short. So I took my time to actually go ahead and fold this way. If you are going to be measuring an inch, just measure 1 inch, that's enough for the width, I mean. So take your time to fold all of this and then make sure they are close to themselves. I have been really trying to create this design for a particular time now, and I'm so excited when I got to know how to braid it, and it's such a joy to be teaching us today. If you have not subscribed to this channel, come on now, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Go ahead and like this video. Yes, thank you so much for liking it. I'm giving you and sending you a hug, a big one from here right now. Thank you so much for loving my channel. Thank you for sharing my videos, and thank you so much for executing all that you are learning. And I want to encourage somebody today. I don't know what you are trying to achieve that seemingly look impossible. For every little achievement, for every mighty achievement, I need you to know that God is involved. So keep making the attempt, keep trusting God, and everything will come to a right. It's time to move into this. Now you can see the way I use my nail to actually do this. Now I want you to know that this process is a process you have to be very intentional about if you are going to be able to get it. First of all, you want to make sure you arrange each and every one of them appropriately. If you think one part is not staying the way you like, try to align it properly. Now the first strap, which is the one under, is the first strap here. You can see is the first strap is this particular one up rather. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pick that one and put it under the next one to it. That is the first step. What you will now check, okay, which one is the remaining one here? You can see it. So I pick up that 3. My strap is going to be covering 3 good strap at a stretch. That is what makes this braided, they call it like a braided, of course, design. And you find out that I picked one from this side, I sent it back to the other side, which is 5 strand on the other side, so that you'll be able to pass it under one, then pass. It's very important. The process is the same all through. Now you will see that side of my hand, I don't know what side I'm going to be calling that, whether it's left or right. You can see the remaining one to this side to make it 5. So I pass it under again. It's climbing. I want you to be able to really see what I'm doing. You can see the 3 straps. It's climbing over. I put it on top and send it back to make that one 5 again. All about is a braided leather, and we are using 6 straps of leather. Don't forget the width of our leather strap is 2.5 centimeter, which is also 1 inch for those who want to work in inch. Yes, it's still going to climb on 3 again. Don't forget, it's climbing on 3. This other side has 2 straps. I'm transferring to the other side so that that side can have 5 good straps. Don't forget, we are using. So if you take the measurement of the part you are using this braided width for, please add 40% to the length, or else it will be too short. 10% of 10 is 1. So it means I will suggest you use 14 good inch instead of 10 inch. So that will help you to cover up for whatever length. As you are braiding, the reduction will not affect the length of the strap or of the basket or the braided leather you are creating. I don't want to believe you have not liked this video. When you like this video, there are so many people who have seen this design and have always wondered how to create it. As soon as you click the like button, it makes YouTube understand that you find value. That is one important thing. Please comment. So many times we watch and we walk away. Please, I beg you, I want you to always comment under my videos. Don't just watch. Don't just watch. This help other people to watch. Some people watch until they look at the comment section, and if they find out that nobody is saying anything, they just believe there is nothing to talk about in the video. And I know I am actually dishing out a lot of content that people are paying a lot to actually get access to. So please, or if all you want to do with my video is to support me with like, is to support me with comments, I am so much excited and grateful for it. And if you want to take it to another level, feel free to click the join button and support us financially to keeping these videos alive. So I am still going through the same process. I am still passing over one, passing under one, then passing over three. And on the other side, you can see again now I'm passing it over the three. Each time the process remains the same. Pick from the other side and take it to this other side. I need you to know that this braided design is something you really need to be patient with. Yes, when I mean patient, I mean patient, so that you can easily arrange it properly well. The arrangement has to be well done so that you will really love the outcome of this design. I want you to know that you can't use too thick leather. If you have a very thick leather and that's what you want to use, I would suggest that if the leather is very thick and hard, just cut the strap an inch, 1.25 centimeter, or half an inch as your width, which means you won't fold this one. That is the reason you'll be using 1.2 centimeter. So I just want to hold this part down so that it does not scatter by the time I remove the nailed part on the board. So just take your time. I just want to hold it down right there just to prevent it from losing. So we are going to make use of 1.2 centimeter as the width, 1.25 rather, if you are not folding like I did. Probably your leather is very hard. So what you do after weaving like this is you take your time and get a very light leather, and use it to cover the back of the weave if you don't mind. And if you want to leave it like that, well, you can, but please love the back, the inner part to be covered and neatly done. Sometimes when you use a pen and the pen is showing all of that, except you use a marker, that those rough part is not everybody that loves to be feeling that part. So just ensure that take your time to cover the back with a very lightweight leather. I'm sure somebody will be wondering, how do I do that? Just place the braided leather on top of your light leather, on your thin leather, then draw like a rectangle of the shape of the weave of the braid, then apply gum at the back side of this particular one that I'm holding, because your own will be exposed on the other side. Apply gum, and then place it on the lining. Apply gum on the lining too, which is the tiny that the thin leather, and then you will be good to go on that. So I just want to weave the other part of it right away so that at least every part of it will be very neat. So like I said, don't forget to like this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Subscription is free. I find that a lot of people come to my channel, watch and leave. Please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like this video. Please share it on your social media and help me to tell somebody that they can actually reduce their family expenses by being part of my channel. Follow me through. You can create all right, this now home. We are almost through with all of this, and we are just going to go ahead and then finish this other part of the design. I'm just taking my time to finish the edges properly. I'm going to also add glue to this particular place. Now, if you are willing to actually join any of our online program, or you are in Abuja, Nigeria, you would love to learn shoemaking, I want you to know that we are very open, of course, to actually teach you shoemaking. We have online courses, and also we are available if you have a group of people you would love to sponsor on this training. We're right there to take them through the process. Just send us an email, or you can send us a WhatsApp message on the using the information on the screen. I told us earlier that you have to have like about 40% increase. Mine was about 46 centimeter long, and now it's about 25 centimeter because of the braiding process. Don't forget to add 40%. If your measurement was 10, go ahead and add 4 inches. That will make it 14 inch, and that's 40% increase. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I still remain your shoemaking made easy tutor. Oh, Durule Mojibola. Guess what? I love you, and I am going to see you next time. Bye.